Hello friends and welcome to Skill Bytes. In this video, we will learn how to perform basic calculations in Excel: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the building blocks of working with numbers in Excel. Whether you're managing finances, mark sheets, or business reports, these functions will help you save time and effort. So, let's open Excel and get started. First, let's understand how formulas work in Excel. Every formula in Excel must begin with an equal sign. This tells Excel that we are performing a calculation. Now, let's enter some numbers. I will type 10 in cell A1 and 20 in cell A2. Now, I want to add them. So, I will click on cell A3 where I want the result. Then, I type equals A1 plus A2. Like this, equals A1 plus A2. Now, I press enter. And there you go. The result is 30. Now, let's say we have more numbers in A4 and A5. We can extend the formula like this. Equals A1 plus A2 plus A4 plus A5. Press enter and Excel will give the total sum. Now, let's move on to subtraction. Subtraction is just as easy. This time, we will use the minus sign. Let's take another example. I will type 50 in A1 and 30 in A2. Now, in A3, I will type equals A1 minus A2. Press enter. And the result is 20. Simple, right? If you want to subtract multiple values, just extend the formula. For example, equals A1 minus A2 minus A3, and Excel will calculate it for you. Now, let's move on to multiplication. In Excel, we use the asterisk symbol for multiplication. Let's try it with an example. I will type 5 in A1 and 4 in A2. Now, in A3, I type equals A1 star A2. Press enter and the result is 20. If you want to multiply more numbers, just extend the formula like this. Equals A1 star A2 star A3. That's it for multiplication. Now, let's move to division. For division, Excel uses the / symbol. Let's say we have 40 in A1 and 5 in A2. Now in A3, I type equals A1 / A2. Press enter and the result is 8. Again, if you need to divide multiple values step by step, you can type equals A1 / A2 / A3. Press enter and Excel will do the calculation. So, we have learned addition using the plus sign, subtraction using the minus sign, multiplication using the asterisk symbol, division using the /. These 4 functions are essential for working with numbers in Excel. They help in calculations for budgets, invoices, salary sheets, and much more. That's all for this lesson. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. In the next video, we will learn how to use the sum function to add multiple values quickly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.